Hello traders. Today I will share one of my best strategy and just place trade with this strategy. This is my own strategy and for me it's give me 90% owning ratio. It's called current find current level and find the pressure and place your trade. Also, you can call this strategy a real breakout strategy. In this strategy, you can find what is the real breakout. So, first, we need to find our current level. In this strategy, no need to check in previous history. Just to find a current level. Like here is the current level. Here is our resistance level. Okay, now need to check previous history. Okay, in this strategy, always wait for a good opportunity. When you find opportunity, then you place your trade. But in this strategy, you can find opportunity in 1 hour. I think 10 and 20 in only one currency pair. So you can open in multi-currency pair. So here I open multi currency pair like a 4 and 5 currency pair. If I find any good opportunity, then I will place trade. And I think this is a very easy strategy, easy set of strategy for beginners. Who is beginners, they can easily trade on only on this strategy. And I also share this strategy in my telegram group, and I have a telegram group that is a discussion group. So if anyone wants to join, they can join. In the description, below the description, I shared the this telegram group link. You can join there free. So here is a breakout. You can see this candle break this level, our current level. So now we need to wait for a confirmation. Confirmation means the pressure. So when a candle break our current level, and after that this candle, if we find pressure, then I can we can place trade. So wait and watch. Okay, I've wait for the pressure. Okay, this is a big candle. Okay, miss this opportunity. Okay, okay, here I place this trade for call option, because I see a buying pressure. That's why I place this trade, and I'm 99% sure I can win this trade, because last time I see the pressure. And in this strategy, the pressure is most important thing. This is a main thing that you need to check the pressure. Just two things you need to check. One thing is a current level, and second thing is a pressure with breakout. When the market break that current level, then you need to find the pressure. And in detailing, if you and wants to know in detailing this strategy, then you can join my telegram group, and so you can see I am in this state. So now again we wait for opportunity. When I find any opportunity, I can place trade again. Okay, this is our current level, resistance level. So if market break this level, then we need to find opportunity. Okay, okay, this also here is a personal level strategy you can use, but in this video I only use my own strategy, so I don't use any other strategy. Only when I find any opportunity with my strategy, then I will place my trade. Either I don't trade with any other strategy in this video only. Okay, our my network is I think network is some a very slow network. Okay, these are also current level, but I find a breakout by, but here I can't find any pressure. Okay, okay, wait few minutes, and if we find any good opportunity, then I will play straight. Either I will stop this video because if I wait for then video is I think too long. And also, if you wants to join my telegram group, you can join through the link in the below the description. I will share the share my telegram group link. That is free, and that is discussion group, so you can discuss with other person about your trading. And also there I will share my everyday trade. Okay. Here is a level, but candle close exact in the middle of your area. So our next level is here, current level. So it's not break this level, close exact at the level. So we need to find a breakout. Okay. Okay. Here market can't break the level. Okay. Also avoid the bad market. Here is a bad market, so we need to avoid this market. Okay. This is also very bad market. So don't trade at bad market. Always wait for good opportunity. When you find opportunity, then you place your trade. Either don't place trade. Okay. uh, I think I need to stop this video because I can't find any opportunity, so I need to stop this video. But in this way you can place your trade. This is my new strategy in detailing. You can, if you want to this strategy in detail, you can contact me through telegram group. There I will explain you in detail, but I think in this video you can easily understand this strategy. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.